What's up, everybody? It's the first of the new year, so we're back at it. This morning I got to take and swap an antenna around on this tractor. It hit a tree branch and it kind of crushed this antenna. I just put these Midland radios on middle of peanut harvest season. I never really was able to record the YouTube video like I wanted to, but let's see if I can get this antenna swapped over, because I'm gonna swap it from this mirror here to the other side, because this is the side that the mower swings out on. Okay, we got the old antenna off. It's a little messed up, but just got the new one in yesterday. So we're gonna get these swapped over, me and Grayson. I'm gonna get him to get in there and feed me the wire so I can run it to that mirror over there, and then we'll be in the field. So, all right, we got the antenna on. I'm finishing up the zip ties now. I got to tighten up his main spindle nut that holds his blades on, and then grease my main hub on mine. Check the oil, check the hydraulic oil, then we'll be in the field. Okay, well, we just tightened up the blade. I beat the Carter key out. Still kind of loose, it's all right, but the blade's tight now. Had a little play. Now we're tightening up this cylinder because it's leaking where we tear them down at. That's tight. Well, there's Will, our farmer in red, as y'all know him. He's coming up now. So now Farmer Red finally showed up. Typical, late to the party every time.
I started the party.
Well, we're finally out here in the field. There's Farmer in Red, my little brother. Then we got Mark. Just doing cleaning up the tree lines a little bit right now. This is going to pretty much finish us up for today. We did get everything around the home farm done today. Tomorrow we're going to go down the road. I'm going to probably take one more swipe off this over here. And maybe I can set the camera up outside and get y'all some outside video. But really, we're just trimming up around the fields so the limbs don't hit the cotton picker. This is actually Grayson's first time running the ditch bank cutter. Gray, how'd you like it? Huh? It's yeah. Well, you did a pretty good job. You did a really good job. You didn't break nothing, did you?
No.
Yeah.
Ranch ditch and it dug into the dirt a little bit.
Oh man, that's gonna happen. But you did good. You really did good. Well, we're back out here again. We cut some yesterday, but I left all my camera gear in the truck. Today we're gonna be over here in South Carolina cutting the last bit of my ditch banks. Now, if y'all are paying attention, the tractor that this was originally on, this ditch bank cutter, I had to swap it out because the transmission started to act up in it. We're wrapping this field up. Actually, we're about to move to the last one. I just figured I'd show y'all. This is our local crop duster here. He does the crop dusting for most of the area and all the farmers around us. It's just one of the rare farms we got where the field actually butts up to the runway. I thought that was pretty cool. And as y'all might notice, I might sound a little different. I just got over a bad head cold too. That's the one thing I do miss about the 8300. All my controllers for my hydraulic remotes back there, they're on electric. So I can control the whole ditch bank cutter right here, where I got these levers, but it really isn't too bad. It's just something that you have to learn. And I don't have a lot of experience on these older tractors. So there was a learning curve, but I managed to get over it. probably gonna be wet back here. I'm gonna have to watch out and be careful. We're just kind of cleaning up the wood lines. I'm not even gonna go. I mean, all it does is go around here and ends right there. There ain't no point in making a rut through here. That's gonna be it for this farm again. That's it. I finished up my land. I'm done with my ditch banks. Now we're gonna go help some buddies. Gonna let that spin down a little bit. Head down the road. We'll see you in the next field. We're in the road.
You're gonna want to get in on the other side.
Yeah, I see that.
You need something there, I got plenty of I shoved Will back here the other day.
Well, we have him to be over here for us, and he comes to pick us up, and there's nowhere for anybody to sit. And that makes a whole lot of sense, don't it, Will? We did get both the tractors over here, though. We're gonna go get the third and our other pickup trucks. Okay, so I got my tractor moved. Mark's in the one I was running earlier. The wheel's over there cutting with his. We're gonna try to put a dent in this field, if not finish it today. Now this one's a little bit different. Instead of having the 3 levers, it has a joystick right here. Which it makes it a little bit easier. Mark, do you got a copy?
Yeah.
You might want to put the hitch down a little bit more. So far, I'm loving these Midland radios. My only complaint with them is they're a little bit quieter. But Midland does sell a speaker, make them a little bit louder. Might end up trying that. Some of them, especially on my older tractors that are a lot louder on the inside. See if we can mow this tree down right here. Oh yeah. I think that's gonna pretty much do it for this video, y'all. I appreciate it. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a little bit. I lost some footage. I had some footage of during the holidays at a Christmas display I did by wrapping one of my old cotton pickers and Christmas lights. But it's okay. Y'all see it next year. What did you do?
What?
What did you do?
I just cut it off real quick. It was just sitting here.
No, what happened?
Light come off of it. Trying to get that tree down out there. I go up to it. Cutting and cut. Tree falls over. Ditch bank cutter's having a spasm over there. I cut it off back up. Look, my blade's just chilling on the ground.
What did she said earlier? Put you on what?
You can put me on just about darn anything and I'll tear it up.
What is he doing?
I got lost. Good time of wind to do this.
What do you think about it?
Good time as any to put new blades on.
Well, I mean, we got a whole new set in there.
Yeah.
So what are we doing?
Fixing Mark's mistake. That's what we're doing.
You know, today I feel like a true farm vlogger. Look at him.
Oh, we gotta put our safety glasses on.
Yeah, you gotta put your safety glasses on.
Forgot.
Yeah. What's up, Mark? Look at him.
That's my normal size punch. We'll get one bigger than that.
Hey.
That's the biggest one I got in the truck.
Recording. This ain't gonna freaking work.
Well, we might need to get one that's smaller so it doesn't. So
You want to take this one and beat it in there so it don't come out?
No, there was one smaller than that, so going in the hole. Ooh. That one won't go in the hole.
Just a truck.
No, I believe you a decent bit of the way through.
I think we're gonna have heat, Bubba.
Or torque amplifier.
Torque amplifier. I'm gonna get the sledgehammer and pop him when we get there with the sledgehammer.
That's what I'm talking about, torque amplifier. It's also called an equalizer if you're in a fight.
Yeah.
These are just gonna go to the YouTube, what do you call them? Bloopers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, well, it's the next day now. We got a set of blades on Mark's cutter after he somehow managed to throw one off the other day. But I think I'm going to end the video here, guys. I appreciate y'all watching. We'll see you in the next one.